the timing chain gear removal using the 3-jaw puller. Other videos out there titled 289 or 302 replacement, they actually don't show you the physical removal of that gear. So granted, they did show it on an Auto Resto Mod episode 247 or 274. I don't really remember, but you have to go through so much BS to get to that point. So let me do you a favor and show you the actual physical removal of that gear. 9/16. Thanks for watching. This video is technically over. Now you can watch a preview to my upcoming project, which is a water pump timing chain cover. And yes, that infamous timing chain.